Hi, Mike Larson with HAINBUCH America. I don't know if there's anything I enjoy more than just Wisconsin in the fall. It's a beautiful October day. Another passion I have is history. I've been lucky enough to have been invited to stay at this log cabin. It's an exact replica of a cabin built by Robert and Jane Bailey of Vernon County, Wisconsin in 1857. They shared it with their 8 children. It's the exact size, exact location. In 1862, Mr. Bailey went off to fight in the Civil War, where he was reported missing in action at the Battle of Chickamauga. Mrs. Bailey was raising 8 children in this cabin. Reflecting on staying here made me wonder a little bit about the tools available to the metal worker. A typical machine was run on a line shaft powered by water or steam. It would adjust speeds with a 2-pulley system and a leather belt. Working with HAINBUCH and seeing the innovation and developments in precision work holding, it always amazed me that our product replaced typically a 3-jaw chuck. In 1862, Abe Lincoln was president. Civil War was going on. Mrs. Bailey's raising 8 children here. The 3-jaw chuck was patented. Hey, it was a wonder for its time. It's great. But I invite you to look into tools for tomorrow, some other precision work holding options, and see if that might not be better for your productive environment. Otherwise, I'm kind of looking forward to getting back to my recliner, my remote control, some football. And did I mention indoor plumbing? Yep. I don't know how they did it. Have a good day. Thanks.